Hi everyone, my name is Monica. I'm the beauty advisor for Dr. Pen. Today I'm going to show you how to use our hydrodermabrasion facial device. So I have the device here with me. It's really small and tiny, really easy to use, and I'll show you what's in the box. So if you can see, I already used one of the ampule. So it comes with 3 ampules for you to use. You can use your favorite serum if you want, but then I love these ampules. And comes with 3 different hats. This is hat attachments. So you can change it from the small one, medium, and the large for larger area. And this one is 2 filters, so it comes with 2 filters. Normally 1 filter will last you, I would say, about 6 to 8 treatments. And this one is the little key, so the little key to change the filter. I'll show you how to change the filter. So basically, when you change it, there's a little button, and then with the little key here, and you just have to press it, and the filter will come out from the other side. I already opened the case, guys, so it's easier to show you. So normally it's locked in very well. You just have to use a little bit pressure and open it. So 2 tubes. Okay. So the long one, this is for all the dirty water from your dead skin, from your blackheads. Everything will be in this long tube. The small tube, if you use the ampules, so normally the ampules is about 5 mils, and you can put purified water up to 25 mil. You can use 25 mil, up to 25 mil, or you can use lesser than that. It depends on how big your face is. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, now this one is the plastic cover, so you have to open it and change it to the head that you want. So I'm gonna do my outer face, so I'll use the big one, the big head attachment. Okay, there you go, locked. To turn on and off, you just have to hold the button for 3 seconds. Okay, so if you hear the sound, so it's on now. Okay. So what I normally do, because you can change the level up to 1, 2, 3, 4 levels. It can goes up to 4 levels. So let's start with level 1 first, whichever you're comfortable with. I always start with my outer side of the face and just do like that. Don't forget to stretch your skin and start from the outer side. Okay, so if you do it in the wrong angle, sometimes it will make a beep sound, like a warning sound. For example, if you do it this way, hear that sound? So that's a warning sound. That means you have to make it vertical to make it work. So if you want to do your side of the nose, for example, it has to be vertical. You can't do like this. Otherwise, it will make another beep warning sound. Very smart device. Okay. There you go. Okay. From there, I stop. I change the head to the smaller head. Okay. So this is the smaller head that we have. It's on, turn on and off. I like to do my nose area. Okay. If you see my red, my face is really red at the moment. It's normal. My tips is don't leave it on the same spot for too long. You don't want to get bruised because it's a vacuum suction. So just keep it moving and then moving in the upward direction. It's really good for lymph drains, and it's really good for to improve your blood circulation as well. And of course, it's good for your blackheads. Okay, so let me change to the medium head. Okay, and turn on. Okay, normally I do my forehead. I always start from this side. If you see the water come out, that's totally normal. Because it changed the so it infuses serum to your skin, so I'll get rid all the dead skin for exfoliating. At the same time, it infuses serum and water to your skin, so it leaves your skin nice and supple. So I'm done with my treatment, so let's see. Okay, so if you see, it's not really pleasant thing to see, but then the long one, if you see lots of dirt and gunk, this is the clean water. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Please follow us on our social media, Dr. Pen Global, and our Facebook support group, Dr. Pen Global Support Group. And thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.